And now to an apparatus where she can dominate. Nastia Liukin. So far, the American scores range from 15s to a 15 and a 13.95. So they would want to get rid of that 13.95, and she can do that.
She can smash it, literally. She has the highest start value of any gymnast I've ever heard of. It's 7.7, so if she does a perfect routine, she can score a 17.7.
That's ridiculous.
It is just nonstop, right from this point on, skill after skill, all in combination. Watch this, she'll do a full spin. She'll do one more of those right here.
All done in perfect handstand with perfect form.
Right into a giant release.
Second ball now for Nastia Liukin of Canada.
I tell you, this routine done like this, I don't think, there's not a chance. It can't be beaten. Little, small.
Little flex of the knees.
Right. Such a long routine. Wow. A big step on the landing, but I get tired watching that.
Yeah, it's exhausting.